Hello friends. Now here I am going to start new syllabus topic, that is chimney subjected to wind pressure. So I am going to explain this point by using the university problem. See the problem. A square chimney 24-meter high has an opening 1.25 meter into 1.25 meter inside. The external dimensions are 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter. The wind intensity is 1.3 kilonewton per meter square on the projected area, and specific weight of masonry is 22 kilonewton per meter cube. Calculate the maximum and minimum intensities of stresses at the base of chimney. See, this problem is from May 2009 for 10 marks. Maximum time they are asking the question on chimney subjected to wind pressure. It's a very important topic. See the given data. The height of chimney is given, that is 24 meter. The opening is given, that is 1.25 meter into 1.25 meter. See, this is the opening. The external dimensions are given. You can see the top view, that is 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter. The wind intensity, the intensity of wind is given, that is P is equal to 1.3 kilonewton per meter square on the projected area, and the specific weight of masonry is 22 kilonewton per meter cube. You have to calculate maximum and minimum intensities of stresses at the base of chimney. You can see here the height is given, dimensions are given, opening dimensions are given. See, given data, hollow square chimney, external dimensions B is equal to 2.5 meter, internal dimensions small b is equal to 1.25 meter, wind intensity Pw is 1.3 kilonewton per meter square, specific weight is equal to 22 kilonewton into 22 kilonewton per meter cube. You have to find out sigma max and sigma mean. See the steps. The first step is to calculate cross-sectional area. We know that area for hollow square shape, A is equal to capital B square minus small b square. B is the external dimension, capital B is the external dimension, small b is the internal dimension. So here you will get the area of cross-sectional area of a chimney, that is 4.6875 meter square. Now we know that the formula for weight of masonry is equal to W is equal to specific weight into area into height. So specific weight is given, that is 22. Area we have in meter square. We have the height, that is 24 meter. So the W is 2475 kilonewton. We know that the formula for direct stress is very important. Specific weight into height. So 22 into 24, that is height. So direct stress is equal to 528 kilonewton per meter square. So the total wind pressure P is equal to C into Pw into AP. Here this is the projected area. Pw is the wind intensity, and we have the value of C, that is 1 into wind intensity, that is 1.3, and projected area we know that 2.5 into 24. You can see this is the projected area from top to base. The height is 24, and we know the external dimension, that is 2.5. So the projected area is 2.5 into 24. Moment of a base M, moment at base M, that is P into h by 2. Total height is h. So it will act at the center. So the moment, that is P is equal to h by 2. So P, that is 78 into 24 by 2. The answer is 936 kilonewton into meter. After getting the value of M, we have to calculate sectional modulus Z, that is b raised to 4 minus small b raised to 4 upon 6b. That is the formula for square section. So here we have the value of capital B, that is 2.5 raised to 4 minus 1.25 raised to 4 upon 6 into capital B, that is 2.5. Answer is 2.44 meter cube, that is sectional modulus. Now we have the value of M and value of Z. So we can calculate the value of sigma B, that is bending stress at base due to wind. So M by Z is equal to 936 upon 2.44. So 383.38 kilonewton per meter square, that is the bending stress. Now we have the value of direct stress and bending stress. To calculate maximum stress at base, formula sigma max is equal to direct stress plus bending stress. You will get maximum stress at base. Here the maximum stress is 911.39 kilonewton per meter square. Minimum stress at base, that is sigma mean, is equal to direct stress minus sigma B, that is 528 minus 383.38, that is 144.62 kilonewton per meter square. So again here I am repeating the each and every step. First step is to calculate cross-sectional area. Second, to calculate weight of machinery. Third step is to calculate the direct stress. Fourth, total wind pressure. After that, moment at base. Once you will get the moment, after that, sectional modulus Z. Once you will get the value of M and Z, you have to calculate bending stress by using formula M by Z. Now, by using formula of maximum stress and minimum stress, sigma max is equal to direct stress plus bending stress, and sigma mean is equal to direct stress minus bending stress. You will get the answer of maximum stress and minimum stress. See, the steps are same, only the cross-sectional area may be different. The remaining steps are same. It's a very important problem, that is chimney subjected to wind pressure. Thank you very much.